Hello guys! We're here again at Red Electrical. So yesterday, I learned how to do one of the basic house wiring. It's called lamp with switch or single switch. So today I taught her how to do one of the basic house wiring. It's called lamp with switch and outlet. So guys, since I taught Haya how to do another house basic wiring, it's called already. This is what I told you before. Lamp with switch and outlet. So Haya, what do you feel right now?
I'm feeling
good.
nervous. So, if you notice why we are talking in English right now, it is because some of our viewers cannot understand Filipino language, and especially for those people who are in foreign land or foreign countries. So, we challenge ourselves to speak in English right now for us to reach them out. So, let us see how far we could take this challenge. Yeah. So, let's go.
It's very nose bleeding, guys. So, guys, hopefully you can understand. And if you cannot understand, just comment below. So Haya now is going to teach you how to do a basic wire carrying. So if you are new here in our channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for updated videos from Godbless. So let's start.
Hi. So yesterday we learned how to do a single switch wiring, and right now what we are going to do, I'm going to teach you how to do a wiring of a bulb with switch and outlet. So let's go. So the first one, we're going to connect this at the outlet. It's okay if you put this on the other end or on the other one, okay? Okay. And the other one. Struggle is speed. Put this one here. I'm going to put this or connect this to the terminal block. This is the line 1 and this is the line 2. The other end also here, and we will going to put this together. You know guys, I'm very maarte person, but my kaartehan will not keep me alive, so we need to do this. Lastly, we were going to put this two wires on the different end. Now it's okay. So we're going to test it for us to know if there is wrong in our wiring. So we're going to use this digital multi-tester. you want, you can buy it here.
Benta pa.
So, let's check. You right?
Grade 1 right.
No. It's okay. I mean, it's okay also. We're not going to put the bulb. It is Firefly. We also have it here. And it's 3 watts. We have different watts if you want. So we're going to cover this terminal block for safety. So let's test. Yay! And we're also going to test it. We're pointing it at voltage 500. So, it is done, guys. It's very easy, right? We can do it, or we can learn also it at home. Yeah. So, it's a girl.
But as you can see, Haya is just a girl and no experience in electrical. But now, see, we can learn house basic wiring. So,
She did it.
she did it.
We did it.
She listened my instructions, and that's the result. So he can do when you go home, when they're home. So that's all, guys. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updated videos. So do you have something to say?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I am out of words.
Thank you for watching.